Hello, I'm Chris Menard. Microsoft Word for the web, which is free, has a great new feature. You can now insert a table of contents into your Word document. I'm going to do this twice. The first time, I'm just going to throw it in here, and then I'll walk through the second time explaining how to set up the document to make sure that it works. So here I go. I've got benefits and perks, and then employee health, and followed by workers' compensation. I'm going to just press enter and hit the up arrow key. The table of contents is on the references tab at the top. Table of contents, watch this, insert, done, right there. If you change items in your document, meaning inserting page breaks or something, because everything happens to still be on page 1, as you can see. If I come in here, I can update the table right here. So here's why this works. I'm going to undo. You need to make sure for your table of contents to work that you use heading styles. There are 9 different styles. Start off with your heading 1. So here I go. I clicked on benefits and perks. I came over here to styles, which is on the home tab, and I selected to make that a heading 1. And then under benefits and perks, we had employee health. I made that a heading 2 style. And there are the 9 different styles you have. Just work your way through them. That was another heading 2. The only other heading 1 I had was working hours, PTO, and vacation. So there's your heading 1. So one more time, just find a place to do this and throw in your table of contents right there. To test it, I'm going to click on working hours, PTO. Control Enter puts in a page break. Click back up here and update my table of contents. And there is my table of contents updated right there. Great new feature for Word for the web, especially going to come in handy if you're a Chromebook user, because you cannot download Word, the desktop version. I appreciate your time. Feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any comments or questions, put them down below. Have a great day.